The AICPA National Map Survey Platform is a dynamic tool that allows you to investigate comparison data interactively and generate charts and graphs automatically on demand. To compare data, from the home page, click on the Compare Firms tab. You will see various categories available for comparison. These are the same categories that were used to input data. Access to comparisons and reports vary and is based on a survey completion rate, membership level, and/or by purchasing access. Click on one of the question groups to access the comparison results. You can navigate to any of the question groups directly by clicking on the desired tab here. For each numeric question, a line chart is plotted showing how your firm compares to the others in the database. The number on the left is the 25th percentile of all the answers that were entered for this question, and the number on the right is the 75th percentile. The number below the line, in the middle, represents the median answer for all the firms. Above the line in blue is your firm's data with its percentile. If you would like to see more detail, click on the pop-up chart icon to the right of the line chart in 75th percentile. A graph will be displayed of data for that particular question. Your data point is indicated here by the blue dot. You can also see where the 25th and 75th percentiles land with respect to all of the data. At the top, you can save this graph as a PDF or as a PowerPoint document. You can also page through all of the charts for this particular tab by using the black arrows at the bottom of the pop-up. If there is not enough data in the system to make a valid comparison, you will see the message "Not enough data" on the line chart. For multiple choice questions, the percentage of answers for each choice are shown here. Your answer is highlighted in blue. If the question allows more than one selection, all of your selections will be highlighted in blue. You can see the results in graph form by clicking on the pop-up chart icon. Using the Save As function, you can save each compare page on the platform as a spreadsheet. You can change the year you are working on by selecting the desired year from the drop-down menu. Firms participating in back-to-back or previous year surveys will be able to compare to prior surveys. You can also return to the Compare Firms tab directly by clicking on Compare Firms here. Although it is valuable to compare your data to all of the firms who have entered data, it may be more meaningful to filter the data to compare your performance to a relevant peer group. From the home page, click on the Compare Firms tab, then select Category. At the top of the tab, you will see all of the available options for filtering. The filters can be turned on individually or used in combination. To create a filter, click Change. For numerical data, click Add. You can then use the slider to select the desired range for your filter, or you can type the value directly into the fields. The system will not allow you to type in a value that's outside the range of the data. To see the results from the filter, click Apply. For multiple choice questions, make your selection from the drop-down menu and click Apply. After you apply the filter settings are displayed. The number of firms that match the filter settings is reported, and the comparisons are updated. Once applied, the filter is now active for all the benchmark comparison question groups and functional areas. Let's walk through an example. Here, I've selected the question group Professional Staffing from the Staffing functional area. I first want to compare myself to firms that have a similar number of CPAs in the firm as mine. To do that, I click Change, then Add. Let's assume we entered 100 for our data. To reduce the comparison to firms closer in size to mine, I adjust the sliders to 70 on the low end and 150 on the high end, then click Apply. Notice how the results have changed and how our percentile is different. Let's apply an additional filter by selecting the state. Click Change, then select MA from the State drop-down menu, then click Apply. You will notice that the message that typically states the number of firms that match the filter settings in green has been replaced with a red error message telling us now that the filter is too restrictive and that there is not enough firms to make the comparisons. This is done to protect the anonymity of the firms in the database. To add more firms and eliminate the error message, either widen the range of the filters or remove filters. To remove a filter, click the X located to the right of the desired filter. You can save a filter combination so you can recall it easily at a later time by clicking Save as Favorite. For convenience, 2 reports have been pre-configured for you to download as an Excel spreadsheet: a personalized, comprehensive or summary report, and a supplemental report. If your firm is interested in upgrading access from the summary to the comprehensive report, which includes access to the Compare Firm's features on the platform, email pcps@aicpa.org for more information. Note that even though a filter may be active and shown at the top of the screen, the data for these reports will not be filtered further. To download a report, simply click here. Note that this report compiles a lot of data, so it will take several seconds for it to generate. When ready, the report will automatically be downloaded. We hope you find great value with the AICPA National Map Survey and look forward to working with you. Our goal is to ensure that you get important, practical, timely data to meet your needs. If you have ideas about enhancements to the platform, please let us know.